Good morning. I thought I would come on and do another December daily foundation page. But before I do, I wanted to show you a little bit where the idea came from. Just a quick sketch. And I think I'm going to put like some of the things that we're going to buy or we have bought here. So off camera yesterday, I took my Echo Park star stencil and some white acrylic texture paste, and I created a background page. And I wasn't entirely sure how I was going to use it, so I just created a big page. And now I'm going to see about assembling this on camera. So the idea is to have the list on the front and then the paper on the back. And now all I did to create these was I cut a rectangle of about 1 by 2. And then kind of line it up like that. And so I'll sandwich these two little reinforcers between the two pieces of paper. And then that way I still have all the room here to do the writing I need without having these get in the way. Liquid glue is really good for this because if you need to wiggle things around a little bit, you still can. Okay. As you can see, it is not a perfect science. Looks like I cut this one a little bit too small. It's okay, I've got room at the top. I can cut some of that off. Got a little bit to trim. actually leave this. I don't want to mess with it too much. I originally thought about making this a tag. I might just put a hole and put the ribbon in here anyway. I'll be right back. I went over to my other craft desk and I got my We Are Memory Keepers Blossom organizer, which is fantastic. And I'm thinking I'm going to put a metal grommet. Sorry for the noise. I'm going to put a metal grommet in here for the ribbon. Might be a little bit off, but I think I can live with that. This thing is so old. I find sometimes I have to do this a couple of times just to make sure both sides are flat. It's pretty flat. Okay, some ribbon. This is just dollar store ribbon. And I liked it because it looks really old and textured. Okay, I think we're done. Let's put this back in the album. So this will fall somewhere around the 9th, I think. I was originally intending on turning this into the tag, but I think I kind of like it like that better. This was just a recycled Christmas card cover. Yeah, I think I'm going to call that done for today. All right, thanks for coming to hang out with me again today, friends, and I hope you're making good progress on your December daily, prepping for the big month, and I'll see you again next video. Thanks, bye.